judges, Sir Jonathan Alegre, in helping us out in awarding our winners.
Number 7, number 8.
Talagang, wait lang.
Sila mga, sila kasi mga selected kasi.
Hi sir, good afternoon po.
Sila kasi mga selected ko eh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dapat talaga, i-invite na host to next week eh. Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay. Uy, panalo. Alright. Our first contender who will join us on the grand finals is... Kanina isang number lang yung sinisigaw nila, ngayon ang dami na. Oh, di ba? Winner, nagbago isip ko, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Alright! Who's your bet? Ay, halo-halo. I love it. Okay, our first contender who will join us on the grand finals is contender number... Contender number 7, John Aubrey Savage. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's move forward. Kaya yung susunod. Ay, love it. May sumisigaw na ng mga shoppers sa taas. Love you. O, next week ulit ha. Diyan ka pa lang tatrabaho. Lagot ka sa boss mo. Okay, our next contender who will join us on the grand finals is contender number 6, Timothy Armando. Congratulations. Ayan. Gusto niyo pa ba? Yeah. Ang dami kasing pogi eh, nakakainis. Okay, our next contender who will join us on the grand finals is contender number... Ay, nahulaan na. Contender number? Contender number 5, Joby Angel.
Number 4, sunod, number 4.
And giving the sash is one of our judges, Sir Jonathan Alegre.
Number 4.
Tapos na ba? Gusto niyo pa? Gusto pa natin! Alright! Our next contender na makakasama natin sa grand finals is contender number... Ang galing niyo naman! Contender number 4! Sharon Guana! finals. Thank you sa ating mga 6 elimination round contenders. But, wait, there's more! Oh, alam na nila, ha? Ang ating wild card na magka-compete on November 19 ay... Sino? Pagsabay-sabay na natin! Wildcard contenders on November 19 are contender number 2, 3, and 1! Diba? Lahat kasi pogi, lahat macho, lahat magaling pumorma, and they all deserve to be on the top and to be part of Manila's Finest on Season 9. Who will be our grand winner? Who will take the crown on December 3, 2022? Let's Season 9. Again, I'm your host, Oliana. Thank you and